there. This is the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat, and this is your astrological forecast for Tuesday, September the 7th. Before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We visualize all the darkness leaving our bodies. We can see it flowing out of our hands and our feet, just flowing out, flowing away. In its place, we see this beautiful white light filling our entire bodies. This white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It fills our bodies, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Virgo affirmation. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. We're going to say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I embrace my true, authentic self. I shine my light out into the world. Good, great work. Well, I hope everyone had a wonderful day yesterday, enjoying each other and all of the fixings. I hope we did. Today, the moon is in Libra. She is joining Venus and Mercury. So today, tomorrow, and Thursday is going to be our last big push to get any kind of relationship any kind of relationship issues resolved before the shit hits the fan on Friday when Venus moves into Scorpio, and it's a completely different energy than what we have today, tomorrow, and Thursday. So we definitely want to get anything resolved that still is out there. Libra is all about finding peace, finding serenity. So in our lives today, we want to see where those areas of our lives are out of whack. Where aren't we feeling peaceful? Is that in our relationship? Then let's take a look at that. Let's discuss it with our partner. What do we need to do to bring balance? Are we feeling peaceful at work? If we're not, why? Do we need to change our attitude, or do we need to change our job? So today, tomorrow, and Thursday, big push on the relationships. And the good thing is we all want to come to resolution during these days. We all want to work together for the most part. I mean, there's always some of us who we're not going to play no matter what, right? But for the most part, we want to bring resolution. We want to work together. Not only that, we are open to other people's ideas. We can see the different perspectives that are being presented. And we can work with all these different perspectives to come up with a great solution to a sticky wicket problem that we haven't been able to resolve up until this point. And not only that, with that Libra energy, it is a mental energy. So we are working a lot in our minds, processing, and we have that Virgo energy too, that earth energy. So we're really getting things together and getting some groundedness and some good plans and strategies for us, not for us, whether that be our partner, our family, or group, whatever it is, somebody, our group at work. So last 3 days to really work on that. Like I said, everyone is feeling pretty open to new ideas, most of us, and we're also we're feeling diplomatic. We're not out there forcing our opinion. Most of us want to work together, and we are more discussing, and sharing, instead of, well, my idea and you should do it my way. That is not going to work today through Thursday. So ramp it up, get our relationship work done. The key word for today is balance, harmony, peace. If we are not experiencing that in an area of our life, why and what do we need to bring balance to that part of our lives? Very important, because on Friday, when Venus goes into Scorpio, baby, oh man, we go out of the mental processing, thinking things through, and we go into deep emotion, intense emotions. Intense. It can be good and it can be not so good. One of the things to watch out for today as we work with our partner and with our group and bring balance and peace is that one of the problems with Libra is we have so many different ideas, so many different ways that something can be handled. So whether we're discussing that with our partner or with the group, the tendency might be not to do anything because we can't pick. We can't pick one. So remember that today too. And if the group is having a hard time coming to an answer, one choice, because there's so many out there, help everyone just make a choice, because the choice is not going to be wrong. If there's that many good ideas out there, the choice may need to be tweaked later down the road, but just make the choice, okay? All right, on this Tuesday, what do we got coming in? I love it when Spirit works with me. Sometimes Spirit doesn't work with me. But right now on this card they are. So building blocks. So that is what we are doing, not only with our partner today, but with our group. We are building healthy structures, strong structures that can withstand this Aquarian incoming energy that can maybe tend to throw it on its head and throw some curves at us, trying to see if that's sturdy enough. So building blocks, we are working toward a better structure, working towards resolution and compromise. And happy. It's enjoy. What is it? What do we need to be happy in our lives? Why aren't we happy today? We've got this great energy going on with Libra, everyone wanting to work together and play nice together. It's a great day just to be happy and enjoy the camaraderie, not only of our partner, but if we're working with friends or family trying to come to resolution, we're just really glad to be doing something. Finally getting to the bottom of it, we are so happy. And then when we get it resolved, when we make that choice, are we going to be happy or what? But then for some of us, we need to let go. Some of us today, we're going to find ourselves in a position where we're compromised. So while we are expressing our true authentic self, while we are sharing our ideas, for some of us, there may be someone out there. Remember, I said not everyone is playing nice today. Well, some of us might experience someone who wants to go in a different direction than we are comfortable with, that violates, compromises our ideals, compromises our ethics. Some of us might have a relationship that it's just not bringing us peace. And in these last 3 days, as we are working to bring balance, some of us are finding that we are unable to bring balance to our relationship. And it's time to let it go. It's not for us. So the question for us today, what we want to remember today on this Tuesday, is we want to have peace in all areas of our lives, especially in our partnerships, especially in our relationships at this time. If we aren't experiencing peace, today we need to be thinking about why. Can we bring that back into balance? Or is it time to say, not for you? So, have a good Tuesday. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I have my daily inspirational messages there, as well as some very interesting memes. Let's see, what else did I want to say? Don't forget to check in for your daily astrological forecast. They do come out the night before for anyone who want to check it out before the actual day. So to give you something, a little keyword or idea to put in your head for the day, so that if that particular energy comes up, we know how to handle it. So that's why I do the daily astrological forecasts. Remember, everyone, the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. Happy Tuesday. Play nice in the sandbox, everyone. Namaste.